Have you always wanted to grow out your hair naturally without using artificial things? Keep watching this video to see how I achieved such a thick hair using 2 ingredients. Welcome back, guys. The best thing I've actually done for my hair is to be adding herbs in the water that I use on it. That is your hair rinse. The last water that you use on your hair, or the water that you use to moisturize. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these 2 ingredients to make a hair rinse. Now what I have here is cloves and rosemary respectively. The brown one is cloves and the other greenish one is rosemary. Now a lot of you might have heard the wonders of cloves and rosemary, but do you know you can actually use them on your hair? Do you know you can use it to achieve a very beautiful hair? Now first things first, get your clove buds and your rosemary leaf. Now you can always use a fresh rosemary for this particular thing that we're about to do in this video. Okay, so first things first, get your jar and make sure your jar is clean and quite clean to prevent bacteria from going in. Go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of cloves and also 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Now the reason why I'm using this measurement is because I don't want it to overstay. This is a mixture that I might be using like 2 to 3 times. Okay, so that is why I'm using just 1 of each spoon. Go ahead and add hot water. The reason I'm using hot water is actually very good. It's going to make it soak in more and get a better extract. Now I left it for 3 hours and this is what I got. So the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and sieve it. Sieving it, I use my cheesecloth. You can always use your hanky or your sieve. Then go ahead to sieve, and after sieving it, this is what I got. The water is what I'll be using. I don't need the other herbs. Go ahead and pour it in my spray container. Now this is the state of my hair right now. It's all dry and is in protective style. So I'm just going to work on it by working in sections. You know, that's the best way I always work on my hair, especially when I'm giving it something as nutritious as what I just made. So I go ahead to work in sections. I unravel, twist, and then I go ahead to spray the tea on my hair. I love to use my fingers to detangle, but sometimes I do run my hair through with a wide tooth comb after using my fingers to detangle. But today I don't feel like it. Okay, I'm just going to use my finger to detangle the whole hair. So what I do is to get the tea, spray some of the tea on my hair, then go ahead to compress it. I don't know if I should use the word compress, just the way I did now, like soaking the hair up. Now the reason why I'm doing this soak up method is because I have low porosity. Okay, and low porosity, you know that low porosity is when you apply moisture, or when you apply water on it, it's just going to sit down there. When you apply product on it, it's just going to sit there, except you work it in. And that is exactly what I'm doing with my hand, by kind of like pressing the water in, because I have low porosity. It doesn't soak up like that. So after doing that, after soaking up the tea inside, I go ahead to use my hair oil to seal in the moisture. If you see, I started off with oiling the tip of the hair because they are the weakest part of the hair. They are the longest part of the hair. They've stayed there for a very long time. They're not new growth, so they're not as strong as the ones in the root. So you have to start working your way from the tip to the root. Now guys, some of the benefits of this combined ingredient as a hair tea is that they can be used to protect scalp from dandruff and itch. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory agents which further helps in hair thickening. Rosemary also is known to improve blood circulation. It reduces hair fall and it can also promote hair growth due to its ability to keep the nerves healthy. So if you are looking for a natural way to grow your hair, then you need to try out this combination. So this is what I do for the whole hair. This the way that I just worked on the front part. That's the way I work on all the hair. And after that, I use my hair oil to seal in everywhere. So guys, please do well to click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is there on your interface, click on it. And of course, my hair is not Superwoman. It's shared, okay? So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.